Why do human beings do this? Is this endemic in the human condition, or is there something we can do to get in front of it?
One of the reasons that makes the concept of genocide interesting is it's kind of it's a universal human problem.
If we're ever going to confront genocide, we need academic research because the university engages with the whole person, and we need the whole person to be studied.
The primary goal of the Institute is to make it possible for practitioners and academics to collaborate. I mean, the secondary goal, I guess, is in our educational programs, our curricular programs, to give students, undergraduate and graduate students here at Binghamton, a chance to get a practical education in genocide and mass atrocity prevention, to learn how to be practitioners.
Part of the plan is to put students into the field to meet government officials who are right now confronting genocide and mass atrocity issues in their countries, and to bring that knowledge back to Binghamton.
The idea for the Institute was brought to us by an anonymous donor who was interested in finding a university that would be committed to a comprehensive approach to genocide and mass atrocity prevention. And our focus is on how do we learn from those historical and current events to try to prevent future incidents of genocide and mass atrocity.
You cannot really study one case based on your own perspective. It's all about, mixing different kinds of perspectives coming from different parts of the world.
The good thing of being here is that I have incorporated a comparative perspective, and I realized that what has happened in my country has also happened in other places.
Coming from an economics background, we talk a lot about these are the problems we see, but I don't think there's a lot of innovation in terms of coming up with solutions, and I know a lot of my classmates say across their disciplines they don't feel like there's a lot of application.
One of the things that I dislike most about general education, and that is my primary focus from beginning to end, is that we give introductions to disciplines when we ought to give introductions to ideas, cross-disciplinary ideas. What's wonderful about genocide and mass atrocity studies, if there is anything that is wonderful about a topic that is so sad, is that it has the capacity to bring scholars and students from a wide range of fields to talk together to understand.
I do think there's an urgency for this institute now, and I think this is a different approach to studying prevention of atrocity, mass atrocity, and genocide, rather than as an academic ivory tower approach. Perhaps this can be across the SUNY system, an educational model that we can extend beyond our campus.